Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I was doing the stream before, and while doing that I found that there were like 2-3 links that wasn't working for the noted Sherlock box. So I went to like the support system, and over here if you see that I still have one pending message, though this one doesn't make any sense because I was requesting. So I requested them to like fix the URLs that was mentioned over here. So now you guys will be seeing the part of my stream. There might be some voice issues, and after that where we left there in the stream, we'll be continuing from there, starting this. So first of all, go watch the stream part, then we'll continue from here. Yesterday I said that we'll be solving today the hack the box machine, which can be any. Actually, it's been quite a long time since we have tried the Sherlock, so let's play with the Sherlock today. Okay, so switch the screen. I have opened the stuff here. Let's put it here, and there we go. Let's try and work with this Sherlock. And this Sherlock is about noted. Okay, so add the content in the notes first so we can refer to that faster. Rather, we have to separately open the browser window. So let's add the content here first. The first question, put it here. Second question, we'll put it. Third question, it is less of a question, more of a task for paste here. Okay, so this one seems to be pretty short. It's not a long type of box which might take time, but seems to be pretty short. So let's finish this quickly, and we'll try something else today then. Clear everything else, few more spaces. Okay, so it's Sherlock. Okay, let's oh yeah, like I always says in my other videos, you can download the file from here, and this is a password to unzip the file, so you guys can use this. Let's boot the Kali Linux. We'll be working there, even though this is a Windows machine if I'm not wrong. Yeah, the path it's taking, C example file path, so it's most probably or definitely it's a Windows machine. So let's work with this today. Okay, seems the machine is there. We are. Let's log in, set it a bit, and there we go. So machine is booted. So open the terminal, but before that let me show you where I have saved file. I already have it, so should be in the Sherlock, and here's the noted, this one, and paste it here, place all, and there we go. Okay, so let's close this. Now we'll do the cd slash this, and what was endpoint Sherlock. So it's not an or, it's noted. Let's check the tree, like the file table we have, what sort of file system we have here. So we'll use the tree command. It will give us, this is a file structure. We have total 1 2 3 4 4 files. One is config file, one is session file, other one is loot.per java file, that new. Okay, and there is another file, you have been hacked. Okay, so we have the scenarios here. We have the, okay, let's add this stuff too. Machine URL, put it here. Created, it's today. Deployed tool. I don't think we are going to use any tool. Yeah, we are not going to use any tools, and it's a Windows system. So let's add that tag too, and it's a DFIR. Yes, it DFIR, digital forensics and incident response. As forensic incident response here, there's nothing related to digital. Okay, so let's see what's saying in the scenario first. We can minimize this as we'll be working with this only. Let's read the scenario. Simon, a developer working at Forela, notified the CRT team about a note that appeared on his desktop. Okay, must be you have been hacked. The note claimed that the system has been compromised and that sensitive data from Simon's workstation has been collected. Okay, the proprietor performed a data extortion, okay, on his workstation, and are now threatening to release the data on the dark web unless their demands are met. Oh, so it's a compromise. Simon's workstation contained multiple sensitive files, including planned software project, internal development plans, and application code base. The threat intelligence team believe that the threat actor made some mistake, but they have not found any way to contact the threat actor. The company stakeholders are insisting that this incident be resolved and all the sensitive data be recovered. Okay, well, if one company get compromised, everyone will definitely look for a way to cover their data. Like if you're working in one company and there is some third party that is looking for or opting your data, and you're sharing data in between these two companies, which can be yours or someone else. So that's why they said over here all the sensitive data be recovered. They demanded that under no circumstances should the data be leaked. Okay, as our major security analyst, you have been assigned a specific type of DFIR investigation. In this case, the CERT lead, after triaging the workstation, has provided you with only the Note++ artifacts, suspecting that the hacker created the extortion note and conducted other activities with hands-on keyboard access. Okay, your duty is to determine how the attacker occurred and find a way to contact the threat actor as they accidentally logged out on their own contact information. Okay, so let's start with the first question. What is the path to the script used by Simon for AWS operation? Let's get all the files first, then we'll see what we can do about these. So let's copy this. We'll use locate, paste, enter. This is weird, not showing this file but some other file. Understood. So let's do cd c user Simon Stark app data roaming notepad plus plus. Enter. We'll clear this. ls cat config.xml. Okay, we got pretty damn big XML here. We'll clear this. Cat session XML. We have two XML files here. Cleared last backup. Cat loop. We have seems like a JavaScript. Let's clear this too. Cat have been hacked. Okay, so we have two paste pin links also. Must be containing some sort of data there. What is the full path of the script used by Siemens for AWS operation? So let's see what we can see here. Okay, now we know that there are two files or like two links here. Copy these and we'll keep a separate note here and we'll put it in, let's see, covered, not like this, I guess. Put it here. So we have two links that we have recovered from the file. See if there is anything that we can leverage. There's a hello, this note is placed in your desktop and copy to other locations too. You have been hacked and your data has been deleted from your system. We made copy of your sensitive data and uploaded it to our server. Okay, the rule is simple. You pay us and we don't not release your company secret to public and return your data safely. Well, if something like this happens to anyone or even to me, I don't think I'll believe this statement. The reason behind, you already have compromised my data and now you're bargaining with me that if we pay you, you'll release the data and you don't hold a copy of that data. So in future, if you have any grudge or something, or someone tells you to do something fishy about us, you don't sell that data to them, or you don't release that data to public. So before giving a ransom, I think I'll discuss it with the officials if it is that what you want and you're like fully agree to give the money, because you're losing both hands. You are giving the money and you're also losing the data, because you don't know that if they have that copy of your data or not. So I'm not sure if I'll be paying, but definitely I won't be paying unless it is something that can't replicate again. Maybe that will be just a second thought, but let's see what we have further. Failure to oblige will result in immediate data leak to the public. Okay, for detailed information and process, visit below link. Let's see what these links hold. So we'll use curl, paste, enter. Okay, so there is a whole web page and it seems to be free gift card. Bam. This seems to be pretty big page. Let's see, try to open it here. Although it's going to be code, here's the actual file. Okay, and it says this page is no longer available. It has either expired, been removed by its creator, or removed by one of paste bin stack. Okay, so we can't do anything with the first link we got. Let's try the second one. The first one is bin.com and the second one is paste.io. See what this has, and it says you don't have permission to access this. So additionally 403 forbidden error. Either it is something that hack the box patch, or it is just a waste of time place. Okay, so though we have recovered these two URLs, these are not working, so we can clear this and let's see, we'll go one step back, clear everything, ls, and let's read the data in the config file and what that file actually do. Let's cat config.xml. Okay, so let's see, xml notepad plus find history, and these are the settings for find. Next, what we have, history directory. Okay, this is a file name is equal to C program file notepad plus plus change.log. Okay, so the first question was, what is the full path of the script used by Simon for AWS operation? So there are a few files we can see. The Simon dot stock documents internal desktop app prototype internal login.cs. There is dev web server beta prod internal. So most probably this one, because this contains the AWS object migration. And if we see the first question, what is the full path of the script used by Siemens for AWS operation? And if you see over here, this is a PL file, which is the Perl. It can be used for scripting. So let's go with this. I'm 90% sure this is going to be the answer. So let's paste this. So we got the first answer, and let's split it. We can try cat the session one also. I'm not sure if this can give us a session when. So let's read this file. First visible line 21, scroll width. Okay, there is a no. This is a file loot.purge java. It must be the one in the backup. This is a backup. Yeah, this is a file. Original file lost modified. Okay, so this was the time when the file was modified. This one too. Okay, what else do we have? So we have times when the file was last modified. Okay, so I'll check that some another time. But we have got first answer. Let's check. They duplicate some program code and compile it on the system, knowing that the victim was software engineer and had all the necessary release. They did this to blend into the environment, didn't bring any of the to this code, gathered sensitive data and prepared it for extortion. What is the full path of the program source file? So most probably the one we just saw, which was in the backup, the Java file. So let's check that. Clear this cd backup ls and cat the loot, resize it, and what it's doing, importing the Java input output operations. Maybe why bother? Let's Google it out. What is this for? File or directory path name. Okay, what does it do? Okay, so this can call these methods, can execute, can read, can write, compare to files, create new files. So these all the classes, methods or function can call by using this import, or this is a library. Okay, so let's go back. There's a file input stream, file output stream, array zip, variety of import. Let's read the code from here. Public class sensitive data extort. Okay, public static void main string argument string username is equal to the get property of username. Okay, this is going to be a pretty long code to read. So this is a path that the hacker has defined, and if you see over here, it's getting the property for the username that is defined for the system. For example, I'm not sure if I should be showing you guys though, but let's take a risk. And if we go to danger, you will see you have this user acer download and stuff. So currently the username is acer for my system. So they have defined the property here where it will take the username and assign it to this string, and this string will go here, and this will form the whole path for the desktop, and it will list all the files which are related to this extensions and create a new array which will hold the collections of files. And this is going to collect the new files. Zip, this is another what we say parameter or the variable they're assigning the stuff to, the desktop directory. And this is a file string password. This is the password. I don't know what if this is a password they have declared. Create zip archive, collect file, zip file path, set it the password maybe, system out, print in zip archive successfully. Okay, then there's a private class and it's also collecting the data. There is a loop going on for files and file in if file is directory, collect files, extensions, collected files. Yeah, this one is also collecting the files. And what else we have here? Yeah, pretty much similar things. And over here it zip out the system method, something related to the create zip, and it has defined the bit size for the zip. Okay, so what we have seen is this is a code that using interesting function names which can read the code and data. And if we see here, it is asking for the code generated sensitive data and prepared it for what is the full path of the program source file. The source file is going to be, I think we can take it from where yeah, we already have the path. Why we're bothering with that? We use pwd. So this is the path this required. We'll just paste the path of the file slash was file ls, and this is a script file file that the attacker leverage. So we have the script path, and I think the slashes are going to be problem here. So we'll just reverse those, do this quickly. There we go. So we have the file path, user human start app data, but I'm not sure if it's going to be here. Let's see what this config file says. Does it have something related to this? There's a GUI config. All of these are GUI config. Anything that can help, or does this contain anything? Grab, paste, enter, till then put the trick here. There is something in the session.xml, and what is that? File visible, file name. Okay, so this is the backup file path which is defined here. The official file path is this, so we'll be using this as a primary path. So we got the first one, sorry, second answer. Let's check what's the next thing. It's asking what's the name of final archive file containing all the data to be exfiltrated. Okay, so we saw it here in the script. ls cat or we less loot, take it a bit up, and there was a file name, something floral kind of file. Where is it? I just saw where it was defining the whole password thing, and there we have it. This is the one where we found it. Let's quit from here. We'll just cat loot, take it up, bit up, and take a screenshot so we can hold the POC where we got this from. And I break the stuff. There is it. There. And we'll copy this, paste it here, and there we have it. The third answer, the file name. It's good to remember the stuff. What's the timestamp in UTC when attacker last modified the program source file? Okay, so that can be found here. The last modify timestamp. This is the one. Okay, it can help if you paste it here, and time, get time. There we have it. It's 20th June. I hope it's not showing that today around this time. If I'm not wrong, this should be the correct time, or maybe there was another set of this one. What's one says the same? No, this is the wrong messed up. This one is time, and for some reason it's not giving me the time. Why, sir? Parse of the time. Nah, no, generate the time. Let's try some other website. Word. Okay, numeric timestamp. I think this one will do. Should timestamp for human day. Well, this is going to be a mess to look for. It's not work. B. This one is showing the correct one, but not this one. Toggle the theme. Okay, this is a relaxation to the eyes. Let's see, what is this? LDAP convert 18 digit LDAP to, we don't have the 18 digit one. Time zone converter, I don't think that's also going to happen. Is there related to the calculation here? Okay, we'll check the time later on, but first let's see what we have for the fifth task. The attacker wrote a data extortion note after acceleration data. What is the crypto wallet address to which attacker demanded the payment? Okay, so now this is a trick one, and I believe we can't read that because this recovered URLs are not working. Let's give it a try, and it's actually not working. Let's try and ask the support help center, contact support, message begin. Okay, flag submission, can't spawn. Now we can spawn the box, but there is a problem with the link. So where should we go? Ask a question. Something is broken in Notepad shell. The provided link not working. The issues with the link in Node Sherlock may be related to the fact that a certain instance of the Sherlocks. Don't be an idiot. Talk to person. What is it saying? Once connected your SSH. Sherlocks are deployable machines. Is it high on something or what? Or is it actually possible? Your SSH into the machine you provided this. Okay, it's being an idiot. That's why we call it the bot. A few hours time the support is going to take. There is so many conversation. I don't think we'll be able to proceed further if it doesn't get patched. The task, everything is finished. What is the last question though? Was the email address of the person that person to contact for support? I don't know. We're trying to contact here. Okay, here we go. This is not king, and I'm pretty sure it is related to this. Why I'm saying this? Because I didn't see any other link to check where the data went, why that link was there. So I'm pretty sure it is related to this, but it is broken, and support is gonna take decade of time to revert. We'll wait on that. Till then, let's see what we can check for the last question and the timestamp, the email address of the person. Let's try another trick. We can try only at. We'll use only at and see how many places it's there. And asterisk. It's only on 2 places. See same side of file. Backup flash asterisk. There isn't any email address anywhere else. Clear this. ls cat you have been hacked, and this was also not containing any sort of link or email address. Or rather, let's look for the fourth one. Calculate time window. How to measure execution time of command. The PowerShell command. Let echo the stuff. I don't think this is gonna help. What else do we have here? How time though. Maybe this will help too. What we have here? Original file loss. Let's copy this and put it here. Original loss mod. If this code have live copy, I'm just going get loss modified date of file. Let's see. There was something interesting that I found. LDAP, which is related to Active Directory. See how to calculate LDAP window. It's a LDAP time or 18-digit number. Okay, that represent the number of 100 nanosecond intervals since this. They are also known as Windows anti-time format. NTFS file time. The format of an LDAP timestamp is this, where T indication indicates the time zone, okay, which is usually Z, Zulu time zone. And, this seems to be a formula. Check here, Neo4j related to the, what was the tool name? Forgetting the tool name. Bloodhound. Without this service, you can't use the Bloodhound. So we need a formula to convert this into an LDAP time, and as it's an organization system, so most probably it must be hosted on the Active Directory, or the system must be using that formula. See if there is any formula for that, or I would say word this LDAP time, and we'll provide it. Where is it? This time? No, this one. We need the one where we mentioned that your system has been compromised. Copy this, hit here, enter, go here, where that should be solve SAP date LDAP. Okay, let's see what this has. My time is equal to C time base plus LDAP value, but should be something that can calculate. Add your LDAP number to C time base plus LDAP value. Not gonna work. This one is garbage. What is this timestamp? Type Unix time format. There isn't anything that can pick. Everything is looking like a garbage. Or I would check for like how to convert time of session.xml file in pad plus plus. Add plus plus to remember last session. Let's open view file. Okay, the original file last modify timestamp. Yes, it contained the same type of content. Data structure, downward lower data. I'm familiar sure that your original time will correspond to DW high data time and original to low data time. Okay, I tried to find converter file time, and I think I found this tool first. Okay, yeah, it also took display. Oh, there we have it. Something interesting. We have the formula negative x actually calculate this. Okay, and if see here, the formula should look like this. I see. So let's try this formula in Unix. Let's put it here, and if we try to modify this, it should be like, we'll put in double quotes, oh sorry, parentheses, and from here we will start with the first value. Where is it? 31. Where did the time go? There we go. Copy, paste, and we'll multiply this with what was it, power? I don't know if it's gonna work, but maybe in Python we can use this, so we'll try that. From here we'll put the power, and the power should be 2 raised to power 32, and with this we will plus it with same formula, power minus, or if you see it's subtracting, sorry, over here it's adding, and it should now take this timestamp, I guess, or the one which is actually running. Maybe try this first. There is an error. We tried, will it work? Copy paste here. Okay, so there is a syntax error. We can try something else. Why we are doing this much? We'll do this, and we'll provide it. We have the AI, so let's misuse this Z shell. Okay, try exit, clear, paste. There we go, got the numbers, and if I try and paste it here now, 18-digit number, and it's showing Monday 24 10th of this, and it's showing for which file you have been hacked. So I think this should be the number. Sorry, bad, but how is it getting the other number? I'm not sure. Maybe this is the the timestamp we need to add. We like remove this one and add it here. There we go. We got the new value. Copy it, paste it here, convert. And with this, did we got the correct time? I hope so. Copy this whole stuff, copy it and paste it here. We got the first one here, and this one is for this file. We'll put it here where the time, where is it? The original time and the last modified time is this. Paste. And also for the second one, for this file, when this was created, we'll keep the record of this because we're not sure which file they are actually asking for. So we'll do this, and the original time and the last modified time, we'll copy this and paste it into here. See if we got the revert from hack the box. Nope, that chat. Let's go back, and last we will keep the formula here, copy thing here, and we'll just change the values. We'll change this value with this and this value with this. And if we copy and clear this, paste the shell, messed up, clear everything else, enter, we got the new value. Copy this and we'll paste it here, enter. Now if I check it over here, not this one, we're in wrong place, over here we got this. So let's capture, no, capture everything, and till here we got response for this, and this is for the other one. There we go. So you got the two screenshots where we have the like time value for both of the files when they were created. So with this, I guess we have got the answer for fourth task. Fifth and sixth must be, not maybe, but must be required to access these endpoints. Let's try this, and scroll, paste, enter, move permanently, capital L. There we go. Forbidden. Both of these files, or maybe whatever this is, has been removed. We don't have any other option. Let's give the answers we have so far and see if we get response from hack the box. So far no response. We'll just go back to the Notepad and we'll start providing the answers. And let's go over the first one, the script or the AWS operation which was defined by the Seaman. There we go. We got the first answer. The second one, which was developed by the programmer or the attacker to grab all the files from the system and send it to his place. We'll submit this. We got the second answer, and the file name which contained all the data, the zip file, this one. And the next is, let's try and guess what could be the answer. It's not the answer only, but which one of these is going to be the answer. For me, I think when attacker last modify the program source file. Interesting. So the program source file is this one, and it should be, then time should be 2023. Okay, so it's 2023 hyphen 07 hyphen 24 phase 09:53:23. Submit, and there we go. So far we have given the answers for the 4, and I don't think we can, like I said, proceed further without these two files. Unless they start working, we can't do much further. And there is another thing that I think we should keep, which is keep pumping into my mind again and again, and that is the password which is in this file, cat loop. Where is it? This one. It might came handy someplace, but not sure if it will, but we can keep it for our backup, so we'll add it here. Okay, so let's start from here now. You guys must have seen so far like how we identified this answer till the 4, and now if we progress further, you will see that we've been trying to access this. You have been hacked. So let's get here. In here, okay, we have two files open. In here we got the 3 URLs because the previous one wasn't working. So now that we have all these 3, let's try and access. Let's start from the below, if we can directly access this. Okay, so let's see where we can open it. Let's not open here. Let's try open it here. We have the Brave open. Let's go. Okay, so this snippet is password protected. Okay, so this one link is working. Let's try this one also. This one is also working. Yes. And the last one, I'm not sure if these 3 will be getting banned in the future too, but, and there we go. We got this 403 on one of these. So you might see like in future one of these also might get banned. So let's solve this before that happen. And if you see over here, we have this password the last time we got from this file, and as I can see it's still same. And these were the 2 links which was previously in the file, and now they're not. And let's copy this password it here too. We'll copy this, and now we can close these files. files, unlock the file. Let's see if there is any difference or they both same. If you are here, then you have no other choice. Okay, so the content is same for the both files, so we can close this one. And if we see, let's just copy this whole content and we'll keep this in the notes over here. It will do. Put it here. There we go. So let's answer this one first. The attacker wrote a data extortion note after exfiltrating the data. What is the crypto wallet address to which attacker demanded the payment? So we have this Ethereum wallet address. Let's put it here. Now we can close this and this too. And last answer, which will also be going from here, the person of contact. I believe this is the email. Yeah, this seems to be the email. If you see over here, mail to Tor, and this is a whole site. Okay, so this is a cyber agent. So this is the email address on which we'll be contacting. Okay, so this, I guess the box is solved now. So if we let's put it here and go back here, let's address these answers. We'll copy this, paste it here, and with this we got our second answer. And the last one, which is for the email address of that person to contact. If we do this, and there we go. With this we have solved another box from the Notepad. And I've seen that many of you guys watch my videos and don't like or subscribe. So well, it's all about time. Well, sometimes it takes time to grow. Because of that, I don't get enough encouragement to put my time on these stuff. So I hope you guys like the video, and let's hope for if we can get 30 or 50 likes for this video. I'll be keep making more videos for this. Till then, thanks for your support. Bye bye. See you in the next video, or maybe in the next slide. Bye.